Are we ready to go? Let's go. Okay. Right. Hi, I'm June. I'm the manager at Strathclyde Windscreens. We're a windscreen company. We supply and fit windscreens to all vehicles. This can be cars, vans, trucks. And the newer vehicles have the ADAS safety system in them, which needs to be recalibrated. We calibrate these using Core Diagnostics. That's to OEM specification and gets them back on the road safely. The biggest challenge we've overcome is that we don't need to take a car to dealer anymore. It means we can do it all in here. It saves time, it saves money, it lets the technician do the job from start to finish. This gives the technician the complete control of the job, and also it means that we know the car has been driven away safely by the customer. We went to Core because we used Martin when he was at Hella, and when he went to Core, we went to Core, and I would say that is probably one of the biggest reasons we decided we would go with Core. One of the strongest points for the customer service was one time we had a radar, we could not get it calibrated, and Core talked us through it. We did it all over the iPad, and then when it was calibrated, we taken it out a test drive, it was perfect, and it was ready to go back to a customer within an hour. We've had Core for nearly 2 years now. It's certainly not an everyday tool. When we do need to use it, it works, it gets us out of home. We've used other aftermarket diagnostic equipment and it's never up to date. And with Core, they have the full range of everything we need. For the last 2 years that we've been with Core, it's let us tender for contracts that we wouldn't normally have been able to tender for. And if you're a business like us, I would 100% recommend using Core Diagnostics. And if I had to sum up Core Diagnostics in one sentence, I would say it does what it says in the tin. So, if you're looking for an over-the-air solution for your diagnostic problem, contact Core.
Yay!
Round of applause, please.